How to send money with PayPal to family and friends. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, log in into your PayPal. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for paypal.com or just tap open your PayPal app. Tap on Log In. Enter your credential to log in into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, you will see an interface like this. Starting off, you need to tap on the transfer money option. Just make sure that you have enough balance in your PayPal account. Once you have confirmed for your balance, hit on the transfer money option. Then you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll be able to select friends and family or both. As you can see in the Send Money category, you will find various of services. Tap on Send to friends and family overseas or in the designated country. That is up to your wish. After you do this, you have to enter the email address or the recipient of the person. Then at the top, enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. Then tap on Continue. After it, you'll be able to transfer money to your friends and family. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.